This is a day in the life as a home child care provider, part 1. I don't have any daycare kids here yet. It is 7. Oh, my watch is dead. Did it not charge last night? It's 7:11, and I usually have kids arriving about 7:30, sometimes 7:25. I just turned on my espresso machine, and I'm gonna make myself a coffee before my daycare kids get here and get some things ready for the day. I'm adding some toasted marshmallow syrup to one of these cups. I just got this, I'm excited about it. My espresso machine is heating up. I'm just gathering stuff I need for the day. Some crackers and cheese is what we're gonna have for snack this morning. Then I'm just gonna get everyone's water bottles filled up. Just put them all in the same bag. Milks are already downstairs because I just filled them right up after they came out of the dishwasher and put them in the fridge. That's gonna come down with me, and now I'm gonna make my coffee. I was so concentrated on filming that I never put any coffee in the espresso machine. So let's redo that. See, I just need coffee and then I can function, okay? Try this again. Toasted marshmallow and brown sugar and coffee, minor importance. Okay. Got it this time. Alright, 2 pumps of caramel sauce, milk, a little creamer, and then I give my espresso shots a little stir before I put them in. I spilled today. That would happen when I was filming this. Alright, now it's almost time for my daycare kiddos to get here, so I'm gonna head downstairs and get a cartoon turned on. Oh, this is so good with the toasted marshmallow. I hadn't tried this yet. Oh, I'm gonna finish this in like 2 minutes. Keep the remote Velcroed to the side of the TV so I can't get lost. I have a big tub of Octonaut toys out this week, so we're gonna watch Octonauts this morning because I feel like it kind of just like jump starts their creativity and inspires them to play with Octonaut toys. So that's what we're gonna watch. Okay, just kidding. We're watching Pete the Cat because my Netflix wouldn't load. Okay, I'm gonna stick this cheese in the fridge. I do have kids that are starting to arrive now. They're just hanging out watching cartoons. But then I just kind of take a little bit of time here and open up our craft and get like our learning stuff ready for the day. So today we're gonna learn about rainbows. Alright, we're making this little craft today. How cute. So it's like a scissor cutting activity. And it comes with the paper plates and cotton balls that we need. The kids are gonna love this. This is Mother Goose curriculum we're using. I think I like Funshine Express better, but it was fun to try a different one. Okay, so we're supposed to cut these dominoes in half so there's only one picture per card. And then we're gonna put all the cards in a bag. Alright, this is a little dominoes rainbow activity that we're gonna play too this morning. I did just quick go through my bookshelf and found a few like rainbow books. So it kind of fits the theme of what we're learning about today. I'm gonna lay out my kids' morning schoolwork because they're homeschooled. They do handwriting and like this independent phonics curriculum in the morning. And that's that. I'm gonna go sit with the kids and hang out with them for a little bit, but come back to part 2 for the rest of our morning.